Speaking about consonants, I want to talk to you about some pronunciation again with stress and the glottals or glottal stop. When you say the word uh-oh in English, you don't really hear the glottal stop. You hear the glottal stop, but you don't really notice it because glottals or glottal stops are things that we don't really, in English or when we speak English, we don't really care so much about because it just wasn't taught to us as a kid at a young age, you know. But it exists in the English language, and when you say uh-oh, the moment that you held off on the air for the and then released it to make the o sound, the o, that little duration of time where you held off the air, you cut it off, and then you released it was a glottal stop, right? You stopped the from continuing, and you made the o sound. Uh-oh. You can voluntarily make that stop, right? Ooh, ah, right? Ooh, ah. It's like these stops that you have to make on your throat when you're saying things. So I like to use the uh-oh example because a lot of people can relate to it. You know, uh-oh, instead of saying uh-oh or oh, uh-oh, right? Oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. There's a stop that you can hear. And that stop is something that we also use in Cebuano. Certain words have it, and you just have to. That's just something you just have to train yourself in hearing. I don't know a good way to explain this, but when you listen to speakers or when you further your studies, you're gonna notice this glottal stop with the certain words that changes the pronunciation of things. And stress accent, we have that too, right? As in English, you know, for example, we have stress on a word and it changes the meaning in English. For example, the word record versus record, right? Record and record. They're both spelled the same way, but you have a different stress on the two words. Record, record. And there's also a slight pronunciation change too with record and record. That stress accent is pretty rampant in Cebuano as well. And I'm going to show you these kind of examples with this, all right? So first syllable for this word, right? Hapon versus hapon, right? Hapon, hapon. Hapon, hapon. The first word with the first stress on the ha, right? Hapon, right? And then second word, hapon, hapon. Second stress on that last syllable, or the stress is on that last syllable, hapon, right? Meaning Japan, or anything, or a Japanese guy, or just Japan, right? Or a Japanese person, hapon. Sala, sala, right? Sala, sala. Sala, sala. And next one, kita, kita, right? Kita, kita. This one I like. This basa, basa, right? Basa, basa. Basa, basa. So this last one kind of has a little glottal at the end, right? Because you can hear it. Basa, basa, right? Basa. So basa meaning wet or something got wet, right? And the last one is wala, wala, right? Wala, wala. Wala, wala. It's something with the stress and just glottal review that I just wanted to point out and make on this short video.